So we are going to do number 4.8, number 4 homework assignment. We are going to prompt the user to get a length of rectangle of side, and we're going to display the area perimeter, and we also want to get the diagonal, but we want to use input box. So we want to use input box. So area is length times width, perimeter is 2 times length plus width, and Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So c will be square root. Use Math.sqrt. A squared is Math.pow. A comma 2a to the second power and b to the second power. All right. So I had a one right here right now, but that's not correct because I want this quotient be used input box. Okay. Then also we want it to be a little bit more clear instead of these so many wild. So let me run this one for you right now. This is correct. So if I have 6, I like to use 6 and 8 because I know that the Pythagorean theorem will be 10. Okay, so that will be correct. But we wanted to make it a little bit nicer, and also we want to do input box. Whenever we want to input box, we know we have length and width, and we also need to string and do str length and str width. The reason is anything from the input box is a string, and you have to convert to a proper convert to a double. So you right here you're going to J option, okay, and we're going to say show input dialog box. And right here, we're going to say here, okay, enter a length of a rectangle. All right, so we want to do like this way, okay? So now you don't have this line right now, okay? Then what we do is here, when we J here, the output, the reply will be string length. I type something, okay? NGTH. All right, so we're going to put like this way. So from the J option input box, from the show input box, the number you enter will be goes to string length. All right, then here we don't get from keyboard anymore. Instead of, we wanted to convert it. So we say, all right, so length equal to, then we're going to say, then double the parse double. And here we're going to say, right here is str length. All right, so we are going to use this way to figure out the length and width. And so same thing here, we are going to do this, Control C, Control V, and we're going to enter the width. Once you enter the width here, you're going to save into the width. All right, so once you save to the width here, then you want to convert it to width, and this you want to use width. All right, so the first one, so then these two are gone right now. These two are gone right now. So string length, and you enter a length of rectangle, and length double dot parse double, and string width, enter width of rectangle and width double dot parse double. And once you finish that, and you can do the same thing, or you want to figure out the area, perimeter, and diagonal, and the hypothesis, all right, by create another variable. It's up to you, but let's run it right now. So we're going to have input box here, so I'm going to do 6. Another input box, I'm going to do 8. All right, so I will come with like this way right now. Okay, so these are the same thing, but this is more appropriate from the internet application. Internet, you get your input from a text box, text field, or input box. Very hardly you will request to go to a command prompt to enter numbers. All right, so this is your question number 4, and I hope you like it.